If you're looking for a buy-to-let property investment, you are going to want to know what the best rental yield is possible. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a free tool that allows you to find that best property in the United Kingdom. Go check it out. Hi everyone, my name is Simon Misiewicz, and in this video we're going to be talking about analysing properties for the best return on investment, which is rental yield to you and me. Now I'm going to give you a link in the video description box below, but it's also going to be shown in the above me, hopefully. So what I want to share with you is this PATMA tool that allows you to find the best rental income yield possible. And it's a tab called yield on the left-hand side navigation of this PATMA system. And if I want to look at different areas, I might want to invest in East Midlands or around the East Midlands area. Now, fortuitous to me, if I look at the rental yields, there is a lot here, 5.5. Now, these rental yields look quite low for me. So I know full well that you can get property yields around about 8, 9, 10%. That's possible, even though the property prices are still high. So these are averages of houses that are going to sell. So you're going to have some properties that have got rental yields of 2%, which drags down. So it's quite difficult from this system to find the rental yields that have got the best rates. But what it does allow you to do is this. If I know I want to invest in the East Midlands, I can click into the East Midlands area. That's where I'm more comfortable. That's where the locations are. And straight away, it's telling me, as I said before, if I go to the bottom now, the rental yields on some of these areas is 2.3%. I'm going to stay away from that. That's not what I want to do. I want the best rental income yields. So I'm going to go to Nottingham 0.26, so or 0.26. And straight away, it's going to take me into this area, okay? And straight away, I'm thinking, well, actually, I like this area. And I've now got some more information on the right-hand side. But I might know this area myself. So I might say, well, actually, this is interesting. Let me click on this number. Okay, yeah, that's the area I want to invest in. So now what I want to know is, well, actually, the postcodes, I've got NG5, and then I've got all the details. So what I'm going to do is take that postcode, NG5, and just stick it to this listings here, NG5. And what I want to know is I want an estimated yield of more than 10%. There's lots of other information that you might be able to pull off here, but this is sufficient for me. I want to know NG5 and then there. I also want to know about price reduce at any time. So I want to know the best deal and price that drops. So I might be able to get a better deal. And then that will give me a search term reference. And sure enough, now I've got all these deals, £300,000, but look at the rent, 2,600. These properties now, by using that first system through PATMA, has given me access to information that I cannot get by RightMove alone. So use that URL that I've just provided with above or in the video description box below and start to analyze the very best property deals in your local area yourself.